I ever wanted to make animated cartoons without expensive software or animation skills. Today, I'll show you how to create simple animated videos in Canva. Open Canva and choose Video Landscape. You can do everything in this video using a free Canva account. Go to Elements Graphics. Add a wide background image and stretch it beyond the page edges. I have chosen a beach view. This helps create smooth motion later. Now add an animated character for this. Go to Elements, search for the walking character as I'm looking for a morning walk scene. Then click the filter icon and choose Animated. Pick a walking character and flip it if needed. In animation, you can use path to show your character moving from one side to another. Make sure that you send the character behind another element using position. This creates a realistic, professional effect. That's it. These simple techniques can help you create fun animated videos for kids' classrooms or content creation. Experiment, stay creative, and most importantly, have fun animating. Subscribe for more creative AI and Canva tips. Happy designing, that's it.